Ch. 6. Book 2 Chapter 6. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter 6, the category of form under a sixfold aspect. The sphere of visible forms is form cognizable by sight. The sphere of sounds is form cognizable by hearing. The sphere of odors is form cognizable by smell. The sphere of tastes is form cognizable by taste. The sphere of the tangible is form cognizable by body sensibility. All form is form cognizable by the mind. Such is the category of form under a sixfold aspect. End of the group of 6. Dhammasangani Book 2 Ch. 7. Book 2 Chapter 7. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter 7, the category of form under a sevenfold aspect. The sphere of visible form is form cognizable by sight. The sphere of sound is form cognizable by hearing. The sphere of odor is form cognizable by smell. The sphere of taste is form cognizable by taste. The sphere of the tangible is form cognizable by body sensibility. The spheres of visible form, sound, odor, taste, and the tangible are form cognizable by the element of ideation. All form is form comprehensible by the element of representative intellection. Such is the category of form under a sevenfold aspect. End of the group of 7. Dhammasangani Book 2 Ch. 8. Book 2 Chapter 8. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter 8, the category of form under an eightfold aspect. The sphere of visible form is form cognizable by the eye. The sphere of sound is form cognizable by the ear. The sphere of odor is form cognizable by the nose. The sphere of taste is form cognizable by the tongue. Pleasurable agreeable contact obtainable by touch is form cognizable by the body. Unpleasant disagreeable contact obtainable by touch is form cognizable by the body. The spheres of the 5 kinds of sense objects are form cognizable by ideation. All form is form comprehensible by representative intellection. Such is the category of form under an eightfold aspect. End of the group of 8. Dhammasangani Book 2 Ch. 9. Book 2 Chapter 9. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter 9, the category of form under a ninefold aspect. What is that form which is? The faculty of vision? The faculty of hearing? The faculty of smell? The faculty of taste? The faculty of body sensibility? The potentiality of femininity? The potentiality of masculinity? The potentiality of vitality? The 8 answers are those given in the original descriptions of the 8 faculties or potentialities enumerated. What is that form which is not faculty? The spheres of the 5 kinds of sense objects. And bodily nutriment. Such is the category of form under a ninefold aspect. End of the group of 9. Dhammasangani Book 2 Ch. 10. Book 2 Chapter 10. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter X, the category of form under a tenfold aspect. The first 8 questions and answers are identical with the first 8 in the preceding group. What is that form which is not faculty but impinging? The spheres of the 5 kinds of sense objects. Not faucity and non-impinging. Intimation. And bodily nutriment. Such is the category of form under a tenfold aspect. End of the group of 10. Dhammasangani Book 2 Ch. 11. Book 2 Chapter 11. Translated by C.A.F. Rhys Davids. Dhammasangani Enumeration of Internal Phenomenon. Chapter 11, the category of form under an 11-fold aspect. What is that form which is? The sphere of vision? The sphere of hearing? The sphere of smell? The sphere of taste? The sphere of body sensibility. The sphere of visible form. The sphere of sound. The sphere of odor. The sphere of sapids. The sphere of the tangible. What is that form which is invisible, non-impinging, and included in the sphere of mental states? Sex and bodily nutriment. Such is the category of form under an 11-fold aspect. End of the group of 11. End of the divisions of form. End of the 8th portion for e-citation.